nature actually means a lot to me. Nature actually makes me like a really happy person. It's just really peaceful and everything, and I enjoy pretty much everything about nature. It's really beautiful.
Kids my age are our future, and our environment is our future, so if we don't have our environment, there's really no point.
You know, nature is a really important part of everyone's life. It's around all of us, and you know, just looking around here, I mean, the work that everyone's done for the city of Kenosha, I mean, without this, Kenosha wouldn't be the same. I mean, it's a really big part of the city, and I think it looks really good, and you know, I think it really adds to everything that Kenosha has to offer.